So in just a few more hours, the sun is going to set here, and this nice clear sky is going to be filled with stars. And in that realm of stars are going to be these tiny little balls of ice that have been going around the sun for 4.5 billion years that we've just been discovering over the past decade. And each of these little balls of ice going around the sun holds a little bit of a clue for the history of the solar system, for the formation of all of our planets, and for how we got to be here. And that's what we're after tonight at this big telescope. The Hale telescope here is built in 1948. It was the biggest telescope in the world for almost 50 years. And even though there are larger telescopes in places around the world these days, the Hale telescope here is still one of the premier astronomical facilities to observe. And so tonight we're going to be on this telescope looking at some very distant objects in the outer solar system, trying to understand what they're made out of, what's on their surfaces, and what it tells us about how the whole solar system put itself together. We're so deep into the Milky Way that there's so many stars, that there's so many black spots too. This one actually may require taking it home and doing the real analysis and taking all the black and getting it right.
Oh yeah.
There it is.
Oh, yeah.
Bingo. So this is a Kuiper Belt object. It's called 2004 PG115. That's just its license plate number, and we've just detected it in the infrared. Now we take it back to we take the data that we're collecting on it. We're measuring its color, its brightness in the infrared, and we're going to take that back, compare it to its brightness that we've measured at other wavelengths in the spectrum, and use that to figure out what it's made out of, what's on the surface of that little object right there, all the way out at the edge of the solar system.